In this WordPress tutorial, I want to show you step by step how you can create your custom mouse cursor icon. So yeah, when you are sick and tired of your current mouse cursor icon on your website, then this tutorial is perfect for you, because I will show you step by step how we can create, with the help of ChatGPT, our own WordPress plugin that enables us to upload different mouse cursor icons and then play around with them. And this is what I want to show you in this tutorial step by step. So this tutorial, we are only using free programs, so like the free ChatGPT version. And yeah, this is what I want to show you in this tutorial. So hi, my name is Tim. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the channel. So yeah, like I said, in this tutorial, I want to show you step by step how you can build a custom WordPress plugin with which you can create a plugin that enables you to create custom mouse cursor icons for your website or for your e-commerce store. And I think this is a pretty fun project here, what I want to show you. So then yeah, let's jump straight into it. And yeah, so all we need to have is free ChatGPT account, and I am currently using the free ChatGPT version here, and this is more than enough. So, and then we have to give ChatGPT a special prompt that I will show you, where we explain ChatGPT what kind of WordPress plugin we want to have, or the code we want to have, and also the special function. We have to define the special functions that we want to have in our new plugin, and also all the files that ChatGPT should create for us. So that means you don't have to know anything about coding. Of course, you can change the code if you want to, but you don't need to. So this code that ChatGPT will put out for us, will create for us, should work right out of the box. And yeah, so then let's get started. I made a text here, so I wrote the text, so I don't so you don't have to wait 30 minutes until I input the text. So this is the text, or the prompt I want to give ChatGPT. Let me read this. I want to build a simple WordPress plugin that enables me to set custom mouse cursors when somebody visits my website. Please provide me the full code for this function. I need the admin page.php, custom mouse cursor.php, custom mouse cursor JavaScript, and the style CSS files. I want to have a separate plugin backend where I have the option to upload the custom icons PNG image for the mouse cursors. The plugin backend should show me the current mouse cursor image that I uploaded, and a button to upload a new icon image. So, and yeah, this is the prompt we want to give ChatGPT, because yeah, we need these 4 files in order to make this WordPress plugin work. And yeah, these 4 files we need. So then ChatGPT knows exactly which files he should create for us. And yeah, then let's click on the send button. So then let's see what ChatGPT comes up with here. So yeah, I think now we get a little explanation of everything. And here ChatGPT starts to create the first file for us. So it's the admin page PHP file. And here you can see everything. If you know a little bit about coding, then of course you can change the code or customize the code if you want to customize this plugin. But also when you want to integrate some other special features into this plugin, then of course you can edit the prompt, and then you can play around with it. So yeah, it's completely free. You can play around with it all day long until you created your perfect, unique plugin. Also here you can see in the custom mouse cursor PHP file, here you could add your name, for example your author name, the version, and you can add of course a custom description for this plugin. And yeah, here are all our files that we need. So yeah, and here we can also see the folder structure that we have to create. And yeah, so the instructions. But I want to show you the instructions, of course, in this video. So then, yeah, let's start with the first file here. So now we have to go to our desktop. So it doesn't matter if you're using Windows or if you're using Mac. And now we have to create a text file. So let me go to where is my now microphone is in the way, I cannot see. So then let's make a new one. I will click on new one, and here this is a normal text document. So on Macintosh it's the text edit app, and if you are on Windows, I think it's called text editor as well, or only editor. Yeah, I think it's called only editor on Windows, but yeah, it doesn't matter. So then we can click on this copy code icon here. Now the code is copied, then we paste it in here, and now we click on or now we have to so it's really important that you copy the exact file name. We click on copy, then we go here, and then we click on save to the desktop. Okay, perfect. And now we select everything and replace it by the yeah, by the file name, and we click on save to our desktop. Perfect. Then we make a new one. Then we go to the next one. It's the custom mouse cursor PHP. And we click again on copy code, go here, paste it in here. Then we have to select the complete file name again. Go here, save, select everything, paste it in here, save. Make a new one. So we have to make separate files for each code. The next one is custom mouse cursor JavaScript, JS. Copy code, paste it in here, save everything. Oh, no, not the code. I want to have this. Copy, no. Paste it in here, perfect. Save. Make a new document again, and this is the last one we need. Copy this, paste it in here, and again select the file name, paste it in here, and save. Yeah, and then he asked me if I want to use CSS. Yeah, use CSS. Great. Okay, now we can close everything for now, and now we can see our two files. I think this is a different one. The third file, and here is the last one we need. So, and yeah, in case you are wondering which game I play right now on my Mac is 7 Days to Die. I played for years now. It's the best. Yeah, if you have a server, if you want to play with me, shoot me a message, and then we can create a new server and play around a little bit. So, but now back to the video. And now, okay, now we have our 4 files here. And now we have to select all our 4 files. And on Mac, it's really simple. I think on Windows, it's the same. On Mac, I have to right click all the selected files, and then I can click on compress. So now we get a zip archive file. And I think on Windows it's the same, almost the same. You can select everything and create a zip archive. So it's really important that you create a zip archive, not a raw archive or something like this. It's important that it is a zip archive. And you don't need to rename this. You can, of course, rename this archive the name, but this is not important. Then, okay, great. Now the zip archive is on the desktop here. Then let's go to my store that I completely abandoned. And so, but this is great to show you. Then we go to plugins, add new plugins here. And then we go to upload plugin, and then choose file, and then we go to the desktop, the currently created archive zip file, open, install now, and now the plugin will get uploaded to yeah, and it's already finished because it's so small, our new plugin. And then I will click on activate the plugin, and now I hope that this plugin works. Takes forever, I don't know. Okay, great, so there it is. And now we can find the new plugin. Here you can see the new plugin, custom mouse cursor. Yeah, here you could edit this in the file, and then you could make your name. You put in your name here and the version if you want to. But now we have to search for the plugin itself, because we don't have any settings here. So, and I think we have to find it on the left side here. We have a new menu or a new widget. There it is, mouse cursor. There it is, our new plugin, mouse cursor. And here you can see current cursor image. Yeah, no image, and here we can upload our new image. So, and now yeah, we need to have an image for our new mouse cursor or a new icon, and for this this website is great. It's icons8.com. This website is completely free. It is not completely free, but the smaller files are free, and this is what we need. You can sign up, you make an account, but you don't have to. So, and this is something about ghosts, where I wanted to sell ghost hunting equipment, and then yeah, I think it makes sense if we choose a ghost icon. Let me ghost, for example, ghost, and now let's search for a cute ghost icon for our this is cute. Ghostbusters, no, this is really cute. So, and now we can, here you can see the download button. We can click on the download button, and here you have a few options. And if you are on the free version or not even logged in, you can only select this one, because this one is free. But make sure that the size you upload to this or you make when you make a new cursor, that you don't choose a large image, because then, yeah, if you choose a large image, then the cursor will get so big. So I think the maximum file size or pixel size is yeah, 100, or in this case 94 by 94. Of course, you can select smaller ones, but if you choose, for example, if you would choose this 188 by 188, then it's too big. The cursor size, it's too big. I think this size is perfect. The pixel size is perfect. Then we click on download, and now it's getting downloaded. And then we go to our plugin again, and then we click on choose file. We go to our downloads folder, and here it is. We click on open and save changes. Now I hope everything, yeah, and now here you can see this is our mouse icon, new mouse icon. And now I pray that this works. But I think it has to. Yeah, and now there you can see that is our new cool ghost cursor. Yeah, how cool is this? And I think it's a little bit big. You have to make it a little bit smaller or choose a smaller icon. But I think it's so funny. It's so cool. Yeah, this is absolutely great. Yeah, and yeah, if you want to have the different icon, or if you're not happy with your chosen icon, then of course you can go here and then click on upload a new one, and then you can play around with it. You can upload new files and or play around with the pixel size of your icon. And yeah, but I think it's so funny. Yeah, then I think, yeah, that's it for the video. And now you know exactly how you can create your own custom mouse cursor, and it's really important that you have all these four files and that you will save them with the exact ending, PHP in this case, and here JS for JavaScript, and here CSS for the CSS styling. And that's it for the video. And here you can change before you save it. You can put in, of course, in the file that you create, you can put in your name or the version of your plugin, and give it a description or make it another name or something like this. And then you can play around with this. So, and I think that's it for the video. So if you found the video informative, if you like my content, then I would really appreciate if you press the thumbs up button on the video. And also I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because right now I have so much cool ideas for new plugins, WordPress plugins, and I will put them out over and over. I will put them out on my YouTube channel, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel that you don't miss the cool and funny ideas I plan in the near future. And then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.